Memorial Courts. It is no longer a dream, it's reality. You've played in your home court in the Philippines. If you won your very first match here, what's running through your mind now, Alex?
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na nandito kayo. Mahirap ibahagi yung nararamdaman ko ngayon kasi matagal ko na itong pinapangarap. So maraming salamat. Thank you.
Yan ang gusto natin kay Alex. Ang galing-galing mag-Tagalog kahit ilang taon nang naninirahan sa Spain, right? Well, Alex, you've really raised the level of your game. Every department, super impressive, lalo na yung court coverage mo. How good are you feeling about your game? Because you make it look so effortless.
No, I think I'm trying to take it match by match. I'm in a good moment of my career. I want to say that I'm going up. I'm at my best ranking now. So, you know, and especially playing at home, my family is able to watch me in person finally. And all of you guys, lahat kayo nakapanood din sa personal, kaya tuwang-tuwa syempre.
And I know that for all of us who have been following you, Alex, we know that this win is always not just for you, it's for the country, but it's also for your family. Your mom and dad, we want to acknowledge them, Risa and Mike, who have been there with you since you were 7 years old. Let's give them a big hand.
Palakpakan nyo naman, please.
And where's Coach Joanne from the Nadal Academy? He's already gone to the training room. Anyway, Alex, aside from your game, ang isa pang kahanga-hanga sa'yo is your drive, determination, your will to win. Where does that fire come from?
Yan ang labang Pinoy, di ba?